everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So if that's your vibe, do hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to be doing a couple of Easter DIYs for you. Quick and easy Easter springtime DIYs. Using the items that you probably would have seen me feature on my hauls. Also, towards the end of this video, I'm going to be doing my Easter table scape. Again, using the items that you would have seen on my haul as well. So do stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm going to get straight into the first DIY. And the first DIY I'm going to be using the paint your own eggs, which I purchased in Poundland. Now I've actually done some of these already this morning and I thought, why am I not filming this, you know? Yes, I promised you guys some Easter DIY, so I quickly grabbed the camera and started to film. So in the packet you get 5 of these plain eggs, and I've got to say they're kind of like a matte finish, so they're really easy to paint onto. Okay, so the set comes with these paints, which are absolutely fine. I'm just going to use the yellow in this set, and then I've got some other paints that I picked up in Wilko, and some paint sample pots from Wilko, which I'm going to be using to paint these eggs. So let me show you the colours that I've got from Wilko. Yeah, so this one is called Jetty Blue and it's a flat matte paint. I also got Duck Egg. You know, I feel that you can't really do a DIY eggs not using this. I'm also going to be using some charcoal grey chalk paint, which I got from Aldi. A sample of that I've just poured into these ceramic bowls. Then I'm also going to be using some white chalk paint as well, also which I picked up in Aldi. Okay, so I'm going to be using this paintbrush, which I also picked up in Wilko. These were 50p in Wilko. Really good for like this kind of arts and crafts. The actual eggs come with its own paintbrush as well, which is, you know, it's okay. But I need a wider brush. Sorry, the sun is coming in and out today, so I'm going to be going dark and light. Okay, so I'm just going to take this egg here and just show you now how I'm going to just apply the paint. So I'm going to be using the yellow on this kit and then just go over. It's a little bit bright, so that's why I'm going to add the white to it as well, just to give it the effect that I really want to get. It doesn't really matter so much, to be fair. It's just I'm being really like, you know, I really wanted to paint the eggs first and then just put them to one side so they can dry. And then I'm going to crack on with the second DIY. Yes, I'm just going with the flow because little Oakley is of nursery today. He's actually here painting an egg blue colour, which is, oh, that's so nice, Oakley. Yeah. Let's show it. Oh, I don't want to, oh, it's a bit, oh, that's Oakley's egg that he's just done, isn't it, Oaks? Yep. No. I don't know if you remember these, and there was a whole set of these egg steaks, and they came in really bright colours. So I've actually painted a few of them already. This is how they look. Absolutely love these colours. So that's the duck egg colour, and then this is the blue, Jetty Blue from Wilko, and then that's my charcoal grey. So you can see the kind of vibe that I'm going with, the kind of tones that we're going with. So I really wished I picked up another set of these, you know, because they are turning out really lovely, but never mind. Okay, so this is the green one that I just showed you, the green glittery one. I'm just going over with some of the grey, and again, it's turning out fine. It's turning out absolutely fine. You know, it's just a little bit hard to hold them. Okay, so that's how this one has turned out. It's got a bit of grey in there, a bit of the blue and a bit of white. Okay, so for the next DIY, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be making up some hot chocolate and marshmallow cones. Absolutely delicious and so easy to do. I've seen these like for sale in like the supermarkets, and it kind of gave me the inspiration to make my own. I thought, yeah, you know, you look at something, you think, yeah, I can do that, you know, and you try and give it a go. So I got these pack of cones from Amazon. I always have these because they're so handy to put like popcorn in, or you can make like sweetie bags out of them. So I've got my hot chocolate here in the canister. I'm just going to spoon like maybe 4 dessert spoons of hot chocolate into the bag, like so. Then I'm just going to put that down. Just going to pour some marshmallows in. And already this is looking absolutely amazing. Yes, I got the marshmallows in and this is looking absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to put a little extra, just sprinkle a little bit on top there, like so. The bags also comes with these metal ties that you can just sort of tie round. So I'm going to tie it round with these just to seal it, and then I'm going to go over it with some jute twine as well. Then I'm going to add a sticker to it. I think I got these stickers either from Poundland or B&M, or maybe even Home Bargains. I can't remember actually. Take one of them off and then just stick it onto the front of the hot chocolate like so, just to make it like that kind of Easter theme. And then I might just add another one as well. I'm going to add a carrot there as well, and then maybe a little flower on the side there as well. I don't know if you can see that, how gorgeous that looks. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so I've got my big roll of jute that I picked up in Poundland just the other day actually. All of this for £1, absolutely brilliant. You know, so I'm just going to unroll some of it here and just turn it around the top of the cone. I'm going to tie like a little bow in there as well, like so. Yeah, so I think this looks absolutely amazing. I might have been a bit heavy with the hot chocolate, you know, but you can put less in, or you can put more, or you can even do like marshmallows first, hot chocolate, and then marshmallows again. But this just looks absolutely amazing. And so these ones I actually painted this morning, around 8 o'clock this morning, and then one or two of these is what Oakley's just done as well. So I'm going to add the yellow to it, you know, just to give it that more of a like an Easter kind of look as well. And I've got to say, this looks absolutely amazing with those colours. I'll just put that behind me there. So gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to take you downstairs to our dining room now, where I'm going to be doing the Easter tablescape. I'm going to be using these items, of course, and it's going to look absolutely amazing. So let's go. Okay, so this is how our table has turned out. Our lovely Easter table. It looks absolutely amazing. I've just used my everyday plates, and I've just put the paper plate on top of there, which I got from Poundland. It really looks absolutely amazing with the painted eggs. So we've got a mixture of colours there going on, absolutely stunning. And it all ties in with the pattern on these plates as well. I've just added the hot chocolate treats into this bucket, which I also got from Poundland. Then I've added this family sign, which says, "Family where life begins and love never ends." Really lovely. The napkins are in here, the napkins which I also got from Poundland. And then round here I've just put this jar. I'm not sure where I got this jar from. I had this jar for a little while actually. It might have easily been from Poundland or one of the budget stores. And I've just added these chocolate lollies which I got from Tesco. Then at the end of the table I've just got my lantern there, and everything just looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. My Easter spring DIYs, well really my Easter DIY. I don't know if you can tell that I wanted to do a bit more, but I was kind of like restricted, so that happens sometimes, doesn't it? But I'm very glad that I managed to get what I got out to show you. You know, I really hope you liked it. So please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all of you around here. Stay safe. Happy Easter to you all. Keep well, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.